This literature kit on Out of My Mind by Sharon M. Draper is well organized, easy to use, and engaging for students. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Match key vocabulary words to their definitions. Describe Melody's reaction to a key model change in her classroom. Complete a Venn diagram comparing 3 key characters from the novel. Relive a time when you were let down like Melody was at the airport. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating your own classroom trivia challenge by becoming the trivia master. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Identify specific causes and effects that take place in the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.